Welcome to your Friday weather forecast. On Friday morning, a foggy start today in parts of the Northern and Western Cape, around the escarpment and over the half belt. Then into the afternoon, stormy conditions expected to move over parts of the Northern Cape, Northwest, the Free State and the Eastern Cape, becoming scattered in Gauteng and the surrounding areas. In these areas where we are expecting stormy conditions on Friday, we're also expecting an average to poor PB harvest, especially over the central parts of the country from Friday afternoon due to the cloudy conditions and the stormy weather. Isolated thunderstorms for big parts of the country this Friday, moving over the Northern Cape, Northwest and the Free State. Isolated thunderstorms also possible in parts of the Eastern Cape, but showers mainly for the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal. Scattered thunderstorms for Gauteng and the surrounding areas, including the escarpment areas of Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. But the Weather Service warning against severe thunderstorms leading to damaging winds and large amounts of small hail in parts of the Northern Cape as well as the Free State, so please be careful in those areas. Looking at our winds this Friday, we are expecting southeasterly winds at first in Cape Town. Then into the afternoon, northwestern winds blowing fresh to strong over the western interior, where the Weather Service is warning against runway fires over big parts of the Northern Cape, the Western and the Eastern Cape, parts of the Free State and Northwest. Northeasterly winds picking up along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, blowing strong along the eastern coast of the Eastern Cape, turning easterly along the southern coast and blowing strong into the afternoon. Southwesterly winds picking up in Cape Town. Within the Western Cape, we are expecting sunny skies with temperatures above 30 over the interior, 53 in the afternoon in Klein Willem, Worcester and Robertson, 27 in the afternoon in Cape Town with southeasterly winds at first, later turning southwesterly. Extremely hot conditions expected in the Karoo with 37 in the afternoon in Beaufort West and Graaff-Reinet. Northwestern winds picking up, therefore the Weather Service is warning against runway fires, so please be careful. A foggy start today along the southern coast with drizzle at first, later partly cloudy skies expected. Northeasterly winds picking up along the eastern coast of the Eastern Cape, blowing strong into Friday afternoon. Foggy at first around the escarpment, later isolated thunderstorms possible over the northern areas, but showers for the coastal areas and the adjacent interior. In KwaZulu-Natal, a foggy start today with drizzle in Pietermaritzburg and Durban, later isolated to scattered thunderstorms possible, especially around the escarpment areas with temperatures above 30. In Mpumalanga, we are expecting scattered thunderstorms this Friday over the Highveld and around the escarpment. Some of these storms can become severe, so please be careful. Extremely hot in the Lowveld with 37 in the afternoon in Skukuza. Scattered thunderstorms also possible in the Bushveld of Limpopo. Isolated thunderstorms around Polokwane with 31 in the afternoon there. In Northwest, the heatwave conditions continuing in parts of the province with 37 in the afternoon in Tahung. Isolated thunderstorms possible, becoming scattered over the eastern areas. In the Northern Cape, extremely hot conditions expected with temperatures around 40 degrees Celsius. Northwesterly winds blowing fresh, therefore the Weather Service is warning against runway fires. Then isolated thunderstorms possible, but some of these thunderstorms can become severe. Therefore, the Weather Service issued a yellow level 2 warning for severe thunderstorms leading to damaging winds and large amounts of small hail over parts of the Great Karoo, so please be careful. In the Free State, another day of heatwave conditions with a scorching 36 afternoon in Bloemfontein. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms possible and the Weather Service warning against runway fires as well as severe thunderstorms, so please be careful in the Free State. Then in Gauteng, we are expecting scattered thunderstorms this Friday with 30 in the afternoon in Johannesburg, 31 in Pretoria. Into Saturday, we have a cold front sliding over the southwestern Cape, bringing cooler conditions to Cape Town with some light showers, but stormy conditions expected over the central and northeastern parts of the country. Ahead of that cold front, we are expecting extremely hot conditions in KwaZulu-Natal with 38 in the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay. Then into Sunday, much cooler conditions expected behind that cold front in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal with 29 and now in Richards Bay. Showers possible in KwaZulu-Natal and stormy conditions yet again for the central and eastern parts of the country, Pretoria reaching a high of 33. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Friday.
The Stage 0 Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.